So as you're aware, Radio City is the oldest private FM player in the country, having set up in 2001 when the government first offered private players a chance to bid for and acquire new FM licenses. We started in 2001 and from 2005 up until 2015 we were part of a private equity fund. In 2015 the acquisition of Radio City happened when Jagran Prakashan, which is one of the largest media groups in the country, acquired us. So that is our background. Today we operate a set of 37 licenses across the country in the key cities, metros and mini metros, and we are setting up 2 more frequencies shortly, which will take us to a footprint of 39 in the country, and it is a national footprint. As a leading player in the radio industry and as a participant who has seen the growth of the industry, we are very happy to bring the issue out to the market.
So, I understood from the RHP that you are raising 400 crores as fresh issue. So, if you could tell us how do you plan to deploy the funds?
So, the objects of the issue have been clearly laid out. A part of it will be used to retire debt, which is and strengthen the capital structure.
Okay. And ma'am, talking about the phase 3 auctions, it was an interesting battle. A lot of investments coming in, government also opening up the radio stations. So, if you could tell us what kind of investment outlay do you have as far as expansion is concerned in terms of figures, and in terms of opportunity, what is the size of the market that you're looking at?
So the radio industry today is 4% of the advertising industry. International averages range between 8 and 12%. So we are clearly seeing that there is a huge expansion that the entire industry can go through, where the size will double in the next 5 years from 4 to 8%. And that will happen on the back of increased frequencies in each of the markets, plus the geographical expansion across different markets. And we believe that both national advertisers who are using it and local advertisers who don't have access to this medium will get an opportunity to use this medium, which is a very efficient and effective medium and a very cost per thousand driven medium. So that's where we are seeing the growth. As far as our expansion plans are we have already, we were 28 markets in phase 2, 20 markets of Radio City and 8 markets of Radio Mantra. We have bid for and acquired 11 more licenses, of which we have set up 9 and 2 more are to be set up. With this presence of 39 markets, we will be in 60% of the FM footprint of the country, which makes us a significant national player.
Okay, and what was the investment outlay as far as the phase 3 expansion is concerned?
Yeah. So for the 11 new markets that we bid for and acquired, we have spent approximately 90 to 100 crores between the licenses and the capex cost for setup.
Okay. And ma'am, one final question. We have seen data explosion in general. Reliance Jio has come out with 4G, a lot of free content, including music. Other players are also following suit. So, FM radio in the entire scheme, where the mobile penetration in the country is more than, the FM, penetration. Do you see this, mobile expansion, data explosion as a threat to your business?
So I see the mobile expansion in 2 ways. One part of it is that the mobile phone itself is getting used as a receiver by nearly 30% of listeners to access FM. So for us, it is yet another distribution pipeline, and we are very happy with as much as mobile grows, it will fuel the growth of FM. So that's the first part. The second part is about the streaming options and the music that is getting provided. We believe that fulfills a very different need from what FM fulfills. FM fulfills the need of giving local information, live information through RJs who are companions, through music which is random and curated. And I think that's a very different need from the streaming devices, which operate more like playlists that each listener has created for himself.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.